Hey everyone, this is Antti. For someone who doesn't know you, can you tell what do you do for a living?
I work. I work as a structural engineer and let's say site supervisor at the moment. Awesome.
And today we're gonna spend some part of the day with Antti and have a work trip with Antti to the construction site.
Yeah, let's go.
What do you like most about work in Nodetec?
I like that we have like interesting and cool projects, and then we have a good vibe in the office.
Okay, can you tell us where are we going now?
So now we are going to one of my sites, Central Helsinki in Ullanlinna, and it's a renovation project where we basically do the facade, well, the rendering of the facade again, and new balconies. Safety first. So this has already been painted. There you can see they have done the rendering, but they haven't still painted the facade. So now they are doing the rendering over there at the moment, and actually this one has like 3 layers of rendering. Now they are doing the second one. And the third one, which you can see, it has the structure. That actually has been thrown, so all that has been thrown with a hand. So everything on this side, you can see, has been made with a hand. The outside layer. Here you can see the inner yard, which has different stages at the moment. So this facade has already been made, so the scaffold has been already taken off, and that's like finished. And then on these facades we are still doing the paintings at the moment, and then we can take the scaffolds on. But actually on this side we also have the balconies, and at the moment you are doing the waterproofing for the balconies. Here we have one of the balconies, and we actually demolished all the old balconies, and we saved the bearing structures, or the bearing steel, which in this building was like a railings, so old train railings, and so we demolished the old balcony and made a new one. And at this moment you can see that it has been primed, the water coating or waterproofing, and next step will be doing the waterproofing, and then we can drop these or install these handrails, and then the balcony is kind of finished.